Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear students, in this video I'm going to cover the multiple choice question of the Unit 3 Deep Water written by William Douglas from the class 12 Flamingo. Dear students, please watch this video till the end if you really want to revise this chapter, and as I read the question, try to answer that question along with me and see whether you remember this chapter or not. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the first question. The very first question of Deep Water is the story Deep Water has been penned by, of course the answer is right here, William Douglas. So first option B. Second question, dash is an excerpt from William Douglas book of Man and Mountain. Very simple, of course, C, Deep Water. That's also right given here. So Deep Water is an excerpt from William Douglas book of Man and Mountain. My dear students, for your kind information, this is really very important question. Third one, William Douglas was a friend and advisor of which president of the USA? Very simple, Roosevelt. Third, B. Fourth, the Yakima River was unreliable. That is treacherous. B option. Fourth one, B. Fifth question, William Douglas' mother had warned him about the Yakima River because it was very deep. B, now and then people drowned there. C, she hated the river. D, she had bad experience there. The right answer, why? Because now and then people drowned there. The option B, dear students. Question number 5, the right answer is B. 6. William Douglas had a bad experience with water when he was out on the beach in Dash with his father. Where? California, Atlanta, New York, Virginia. The right answer of question number 6, A, California. Number 7. The first bad experience that William Douglas had with water was when he was Dash. 8 or 9-year-old, 5 or 6 years old, 10 or 11-year-old, or 3 or 4 years old. My dear students, the first bad experience that William Douglas had, what was his age? Option D, 3 or 4 years old. Remember, the first bad experience, remember, otherwise you may get confused in this question and even with the upcoming question. Question number 8. William Douglas almost drowned in the pool when he was 8 or 9-year-old, 5 to 6, 5 or 6, 10 or 11, or 3 or 4 year. So question number 8, the right answer is 10 or 11-year-old. 8C. 9. William Douglas decided to learn swimming when he was about dash year old. 15, 12 or 13, 5 or 6, or 10 or 11. The answer of question number 9 is D, 10 or 11. Please remember, the answer of 8 and 9 are the same, but the questions are different, dear students. Let's go next. Question number 10. The swimming pool at the YMCA was dash feet at the shallow end. Remember the question, shallow end. What was the depth at the shallow end? The right answer of question number 10 is 2 to 3 feet. A. 11. The YMCA pool was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. Here is the answer C. But dash and was dash feet at the deep end. तो shallow में तो कितना था 2 to 3. लेकिन जहां पर deep था पानी वहां पर कितनी गहराई थी? The right answer is D. That is 9 feet. 12. Young William Douglas hated to walk to the swimming pool naked as he had, very simple, B, skinny legs. Question number 13. The big brusher who was about dash year. वो बड़ा सा लड़का था ना, bully type. उसकी एज क्या थी? Dash years old picked up William Douglas when he was a boy and threw him into the deep side of the pool. The right answer, of course, C, 18-year-old. Okay, dear students. Question number 14. When the big brusher picked up the narrator and threw him into the pool, the narrator landed in a dash position and went at once to the bottom of the pool. A, fetus overturned, sleeping, sitting. The right answer of question number 14, D, sitting. Question number 15. The narrator William Douglas had decided that when his feet would hit the bottom of the pool, he would make a big jump and dash come to the surface. Yes, ये उसने सोचा था. Second, lie flat on the surface. Yes, ये भी सोचा था. Third, paddle to shallow side. नहीं, this he did not think. Then fourth, paddle to the edge of the pool. Fourth one also, yes. So options 1, 2 and 4. So A, 1, 2 and 4, option D. So that's your right answer. 15, D. 16. The narrator hoped that when he jumped at the bottom of the pool, he would bob to the surface like a cork. C. 16, C. 17. When the narrator was in the water, he opened his eyes and saw nothing but water, which appeared muddy, which had a yellow tinge to it, with a light blue shade. D. Which was not appearing transparent. The right answer of this question number 17 is C, with light blue shade. 18 question. The narrator tried to bring his legs up, but they hung as though they were dead weight, sack-like, paralyzed and rigid. But here, dear students, do not forget that which one is incorrect. The narrator tried to bring his legs up, but they hung up as they were sack-like. ये जो है ये गलत आंसर है. Okay, B, sack-like. So all these three are right, but incorrect one. So question number 18, the answer is B, sack-like. Question number 19, what kind of stark terror seized the narrator when he was pushed into the deep side of the pool? First, terror that knows no control. Yes, yes tha. Terror that knows no understanding. Yes. Terror that makes one blind. No, 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 no. Okay, so this was not there. Fourth, terror that no one can understand who has not experienced it. Right. So 1, 2nd and 4th. Okay, 1st, 2nd and 4th. So the right answer is option D. 19, D, 1st, 2nd and 4. 20. How many times did the narrator find himself going down the deep side of the pool? Very important question. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times or 4 times. Option C is the right answer. 3 times, thrice. 21. A blackness swept over the narrator's brain as his legs went limp in the water and it wiped out the A. Terror is the right answer. Dear students, 21. A. Terror. Question number 21. Who said, but I was only fooling? The big brusher, the skinny chap, the tall chap, the horrible brute. The right answer of this question is A. The big brusher, but I was only fooling. Who said this sentence? A. Big brusher. Question number 23. According to William Douglas, there is dash of death. Fear. B answer. B option, that is fear. 24. To whom would the narrator say trying to scare? That is to the terror. Option D. 24, D, terror. 25. The narrator dived off a dock at Triggs Island and swam B. 2 times 2 miles across the lake to Stamp Act Island. So the answer of 25th is B. 2 miles across the lake. 26. What do you think you can do to me? These words were spoken by the narrator William Douglas to whom? 26. The right answer is D. To the terror. What do you think you can do to me? So these words were spoken to terror. 27. When William Douglas swam and reached the other shore of Warm Lake, he shouted with joy and his voice was returned as an echo by dash. The right answer of question number 27 is A. Gilbert Peak. Dear students. Question number 28. Who said all we have to fear is fear itself? Every one of you must be knowing the right answer is C. President Roosevelt. 29. In the story Deep Water, William Douglas talks about his fear of C. Water. 30. The Yakima River was feared by swimmers because of its strong currents. Question number 30. The right answer A, strong currents. The Yakima River was feared by swimmers because of the strong currents. 31. The last question of the chapter. The YMCA pool revived the writer's dash memories. Pleasant, unpleasant, sweet, strange. The right answer is B, unpleasant. So dear students, these are the total 31 MCQ of the chapter number 3, deep water. I hope you have really revised this chapter in the form of MCQ. Dear students, if you have really enjoyed watching this video, then एक like तो बनता है अगर आपने यहाँ तक वीडियो को देखा है तो. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe my channel. And that's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.